Umbiko ongemuhle wezemali ukhombisa ukuthi ikhulu kanye namakhansela awasebenzisani kanye nokuthi kusashazwa nesibonelelo sokuthuthukisa ingqalasizinda.
When you look into what they owe their creditors, it's in excess of 7 billion. And what revenue is the municipality currently having? It's basically relying on equitable share to fund its operations. And to an extent that money was used from, unconditional grants to deal with operations.
Abanye abakholwa ukuthi lolu hlelo luzothela izithelo.
There hasn't been a closeout report or any municipality that has been previously placed under financial recovery, mandatory financial recovery that has been elevated out of the financial crisis.
Ekugcineni izakhamuzi izona ehlukumezekayo.
In the morning, we only get water at around 2 o'clock.
Our sewage is not even running because there is not even people working there.
What they know is to misuse money.
Ayishagalombili omasipala kulesi sifundazwe abahlonzwe umgcini mafa kahulumeni njengabadinga usizo lwezemali. Uhulumeni wesifundazwe uphinde wangeza abane abakholelwa ekutheni abenzi kahle.